Today's first lesson will be on turning.
She like she finna turn into something. This ain't her final form yet and shit. She got bald spots on her skin. How many she got, Spongebob?
25.
25 bald spots having an ass lady. A pale polka dotted potato person looking ass.
That's enough!
Oh.
Young man, this is your first day, so I'll let you off with a warning. As for you, Spongebob, collect your things and move to the available desk in the back of the room.
Yes, Mrs. Puff.
Flat boot ass lady, your back goes straight down.
Now then, turning. What every driver should know.
Thanks a lot, TutWeezy. Well, I guess I could be a good noodle from back here.
Now, as I was saying, when turning left, you must
It's
switch
so
on
hard to
your
hear.
left
What kind of student sits back here anyway? School is for chumps. Where am I?
Psst. Psst. Hey, nigga. Hey, yo, dog. Hey, yo, Spongebob. Hey, yo, Bob. Hey, Bob. Hey, Bob, you be building shit? Hey, Bob. Huh? You be building shit?
Just ignore him, Spongebob.
Look at me, nigga. Look at me, nigga.
Whatever you do, don't look at him.
Nigga, look at me, nigga. Nigga, watch that. Oh, yeah, nigga, you don't like that, do it. Talk to me, nigga. Yeah, nigga, you used to having balls in your face, ain't it? Freaking sponge.
You won't pay attention to me. You see me, nigga. SpongeBob, nigga. He go nasty one. SpongeBob.
Come on. Hey, I gotta tell you something important. For real. On God. Come on. Dead ass.
What?
Nigga, I'm high as hell.
Perhaps this would be a good time for recess.
Nigga, you got in trouble, nigga. Yellow pages looking ass, nigga. You like you can open yourself up and find the Chinese spot and call them from the inside of your body.
Good afternoon, sir. Could we interest you in some chocolate?
No, man. I just want to roast y'all. A pack of talking Starbursts, ain't it? Pepto Bismol and piss looking ass, nigga. SpongeBob, get your preppy pissed on pina colada popsicle looking ass back, man. You don't get your lemons in their face, watch them freeze up. A slice of lemon.
That food looking so damn good.
I swear to God, man. Get papered up with this.
Let me get up. I think I'm gonna go with the double seaweed deluxe. Yeah, let me get that double seaweed deluxe. 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 Let me get that double seaweed deluxe.
Yeah, hey, double seaweed deluxe. Yeah, hey, double seaweed deluxe. Yeah, hey, double seaweed deluxe. Yeah, hey, double seaweed deluxe. Yeah, hey, double seaweed deluxe. Yeah, it's gonna cost a lot of bucks. Yeah, you know I don't give a no, I never give a never will give a fuck. Yeah, if you think you about to get some shit for free, well sorry sir, you out of luck. Yeah, I don't know what you think this is, but this is a gallon grub. Yeah, you want something for free? What that supposed to mean to me? Let me spell the shit out for you just like this a kilo and a B. F-U-C-K out my face, you gon' pay, ain't no way, that's 1465, or you can have a nice day, sir, okay? Huh? What you mean your wallet in the car? I'm about to do what I'm supposed. Sorry Reggie, but you gotta go. Soon as he go to the car, all of a sudden, damn, look at that, we close.
Deluxe. Deluxe. Let me get that double seaweed deluxe.
Hey, double seaweed deluxe. Yeah, hey, double
Let me get
Let you get what?
Let me get hey, let me get 21, 21, 20. Let me get
Hey, let me get Ooh, man. Fuck this job, man. I gotta make money somehow. Damn, that selling crack shit didn't work. Oh, shit. What's up, girl? Finna pull up. Damn, wait. I just got off work. Damn, bitch, can I shower? Bitch, you just seen me at work. Okay, fuck it. All right. Let me see if my dick stink. Wait. Okay. No, wait, we good. We good. I ain't got shit. I'm good. I'm good. I'm straight out here. Oh, damn, since she talking about pulling up, shit, I ain't gonna pull out. Up, out, directions. Tut, you are something else, boy. You too stupid. I know, Tut. Thank you. Oh, man, you welcome. I wonder when I fuck, dude, she got a hole in the suit somewhere for me to slide my... Oh, damn, this bitch fast as hell. You must text me when you was on my street. Shit. All right. Wait. Check, see if the house clean. All right, house clean. Okay, cool. Dick smell good. All right. On the arm, smell good. Okay, cool. All right. Here we go, baby boy. You got it, playboy.
Boy, howdy. How's it going?
Hey, it's going good. Thought you was gonna wear something more sexy. I know he's gonna wear a whole astronaut suit over here, but you know, you kinda look cute in that. You came looking like Cyborg from Teen Titans, bitch.
Well, you're smelly.
I'm smelly. Bitch, how she smell my dick? I knew my dick went. Damn, I thought my dick smelled good. Come in. What you want? Some water? You want some astronaut food or something? What y'all eat? Nuts? You want some nuts? I asked this bitch if she wants some water. She started flexing. What? Oh my God! Goddamn! What the hell? Bitch, you a bodybuilder? I do not want you to jack me off. I used to dream about you jacking me off. I don't want that no more. You probably gonna rip my shit from the socket and throw that shit into the wilderness or something where a wolf gonna eat it, and he ain't gonna eat it. He gonna take it back to his family so the kids can eat too. But I got enough for a whole family. I'm trying to tell you, you feel me? But I don't want you. Cause you type of girl to carry a nigga over the altar after we get married and throw me on the bed. Give me that dick. Nah, I'm straight. I'm good. No. How much protein in them nuts that you eating?
Well, if you want arms like mine, you just gotta follow my training program.
Shit, training program? I was planning on fucking you through a hole in your suit. But okay, shit, I get a little workout in, you know. We gotta get to know each other first before I'm trying to get big too, fuck it.
Be at my place at 5 a.m.
Be at your place at 5? Bitch, that's when I just be falling asleep. Cause I be up thinking about my dreams and where I wanna be in life. And looking at the ceiling, shit like that. Yeah, I'm gonna be there, yeah. I'll be there, yeah, 5 a.m. sharp. Yeah, bye, yeah.
Oh, and you'll need a water helmet. Well, now that we got you warmed up.
Oh no, I ain't warmed up yet. Speaking of warmed up, you look like a warmed up PB&J sandwich. And speaking of PB&J, I need some PB&J from you. Perfect blowing job.
It's time for the arm cruncher.
Arm cruncher? What the fuck is that? I thought I was finna work you out, not we working out. Oh, what the fuck is that? Bitch, I'm gonna die if I put my arms in that. Bitch, all the blood gonna run out of my nubs onto the ground and I'm gonna fucking bleed out right here. Why I got fingers in the glove holes? I ain't even got fingers. So you wasting rubber on that shit, bitch. We could be using that rubber to oh, you ain't trying to fuck. I figured it out.
This is it.
Oh, man, it's crazy I got home this fast. Yeah, man, it took my arm crunches. Crunch these nuts, ho. Oh, yeah, man. It's crazy. Trying to crush my fucking arms. How I'ma jack off? I'm deleting that bitch number. She clearly ain't trying to fuck. Let me call Pearl. See if she can give me that clam. Yeah, what's up, baby? Try to fuck with a real nigga tonight?
Let's hang out.
Yeah, I know you ain't got shit going on. Bring your fat face ass over here so I can put my dick in that hole in the top of your head. Yeah. Yeah. Top of your head.
Let me get that double C we do love.
Yeah, hey, double C we the love. Yeah, hey, double C we the love. Yeah, hey, double C we the love. Yeah, hey, double C we the love. seaweed deluxe. Yeah, it's gonna cost a lot of bucks. Yeah, you know I don't give a no, I never will give a fuck. Yeah, if you think you about to get some shit for free, well sorry sir, you out of luck. Yeah, I don't know what you think this is, but this is the galley grub. Yeah, you want some